Drivers at the Araneta Bus Terminal were made to undergo alcohol testing by the Metro Manila Development Authority to ensure the safety of passengers. Grace Casin will tell us why.
Magandang araw po. Magandang araw din, sir.
Staff of Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA personally administered alcohol tests to each driver at the Araneta Bus Terminal to ensure the safety of passengers. None of the drivers tested positive according to the MMDA. Using a breath analyzer, it is easy to determine if an individual has consumed alcohol. This is in accordance with the anti-drunk and drug driving law, which have been imposed for a long time now. The said law limits the blood alcohol level to 0% for the public utility drivers, truck drivers, motorcycle and private bus drivers. On the other hand, 0.05% blood alcohol level is passing level for the private vehicles drivers like cars and vans. A penalty of 3 months to 20 years imprisonment and 20,000 pesos up to a 500,000 pesos fine is imposed on violators of the said law. Should a private utility driver be found violating the law, he is penalized with 1 year suspension of license for the first offense and revocation of license at the second offense. But for a public utility driver, the penalty is permanent, revocation of license at the first time he violates the law. Meanwhile, only a small number of passengers arrived at the Araneta Bus Terminal this morning. Based on the estimate of the Araneta Bus Terminal management, there were about 2,000 or 3,000 people in the terminal. Personnel of the Philippine National Police handed out leaflets to passengers in Araneta Bus Terminal. Help desk by different agencies as well as the first aid stations were set up in the area. There is also a sufficient number of buses because of special permits issued by the LTFRB. These permits are effective until Tuesday next week. Grace Casin reporting for Y News.